Okay, we are going to send our keychain to the printer, but these are the same directions that you would send anything else to the printer. So you're going to go to this website called Polar Cloud. The link is right there. You can also type in Polar 3D. We're going to click sign in. You're going to sign in with Google. And you should have already completed another assignment on Polar Cloud, Tinkercad, whatever. Now, on Tinkercad, don't close Polar Cloud. So you can see I have Canvas up, I have Polar Cloud up, I have Tinkercad, and let's pretend this is the video. So you're going to click Tinker This. Loading. So there's my object, there's my name. We are going to click Export. Now, this is where it's a little frustrating. On your Chromebooks, you might have to do this, but I'm going to press full screen to the button right above the 5 on my keyboard because we need this 3D print button. So 3D print Polar Cloud, and it says continue to Polar Cloud. And this sometimes can take a while. A while meaning like 2 minutes. If it takes too long, start over. So you're going to click 3D print. And you're going to click Open Slicer because you have direct access to a printer. You are going to slice and print the job on your own. I'm not doing this for you, is what that means. So you're going to click Open Slicer. Okay, and now you can see here's your object. I told you once I left Tinkercad, the color goes bye-bye. So my object's here. You can move it around. We want to make sure it's on the print bed. If you hover over these, tells you what things are, so we want to make sure it's there. Then we're going to click up here where it says printer or default. This is where you get to choose which printer you want to print to based on the color you want, and look at the board to find out what color things are currently printing in. You can see examples hanging on the board. So pick your printer. I'm going to pick that one. I have no idea. Pick whatever printer you want. And then we're going to click settings. This should be your name, so it should say your last name and keychain. All of this stays the same. You are actually not changing any of this. Okay? And then once you're done, you're going to hit this blue button that is print. And when you do that, you're putting it in the queue or the line. See, it says one job in queue. You can't press this button. Only I can press this button. You putting it in line, all it does is line it up. So you can see there's stuff that are lined up. You might be able to see the camera. You can see it heating, but you have no control anymore over the printers. You can remove your job if you messed up. You can send a comment somewhere. Good luck if you find that. But you can change the printer, edit the job, all of those things. So if you messed up, remove the job and just do it again. And that's all you have to do to send things to the printer in the class. How do I stop my video? Okay.